Hi everybody, my name is Daisha and I do makeup. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this Valentine's Day makeup look because Valentine's Day is right around the corner and I thought it would be nice to do some festive Valentine's Day makeup. Valentine's Day is one of my favorite holidays, but if I'm being for real, it's only because of the candy. So let's go ahead and make this Valentine's Day even more special with a full glam makeup look. Alright guys, so the first step is some primer. So as you can see, I prime my face and then I go in with some foundation. This is just the e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation. This is literally my favorite. And instead of using a sponge, I actually use a brush because a brush does not soak up as much foundation as a sponge does, and it's so much easier to get the coverage you want. But then after that, I use this Fenty Beauty cream contour and I use that on my forehead and on my cheeks, so just like this, and then I blend it out with a brush that sort of looks like this. And yeah, that's my contouring routine. I've been changing it and modifying it to my liking, but this is how I like it right now. Then I use this ColourPop liquid blush, and I'm literally in love with this blush. I use it in like every single video. I just love the pigment, and this pink blush is like my go-to right now. So I blend that out. And then after that, we're pretty much done with the blush, and then we go into concealer. Now, I have a interesting way of putting concealer on my face. I actually put it on my jaw a little bit below my contour, so when we're baking it later and setting it, it'll be much easier. So as you can see, I've put concealer right there. I've put it on my nose, and I've also put it on my forehead. And then make sure to spray that. Now is nose contour, and I love doing my nose contour because I love just like the power of contour can literally transform your face if you know what you're doing. So this is basically the same nose contour that I do. This is how it looks when it's finished. Really proud of this look, by the way. Then I go ahead and put some concealer underneath my eyes, and then after that I go ahead and blend that concealer. And this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer is honestly my favorite right now. That's why I've been using it a lot. But after that, it's time to set. So I use this Lottie Banana setting spray, and I go ahead and set underneath my eyes. And guys, look at the difference when you set and when you don't. That's why it's so important to set. But after that, I just set my entire face to make sure everything is matte. Because honestly, nobody wants greasy looking makeup, so you have to set it. And after setting is, of course, baking, which is literally my favorite part. So I bake underneath my eyes, and I also bake on my jaw, which is a part of why I put concealer right there so I could see where I needed to bake at. But after about 5 minutes or so, you go ahead and wipe off all of that. And now it's on to the eyeshadow, guys. This is what literally makes this Valentine's Day look, the pink eyeshadow. So I use this ColourPop palette that I have reviewed in a previous video. I put that on my eyelids. I put this lighter color, and then I put this pinkish color right next to that. And here's an even darker pink that I put in the outer corner of my eyes. Oh my gosh, guys, this is looking so good. But then after that, I use this Morphe and Meredith Dukeberry palette, and I get this reddish color and I put it on top of all of that. And then after that, I make sure to highlight my brow bone, and I blend this out with my finger. Sometimes finger blending is the best, guys. And look at that. We're gonna go ahead and do that on the other eye. Then it is time for some eyeliner. I put eyeliner on my waterline, but sometimes it makes me cry, not even gonna lie. It's just so close to my eye. Then is mascara. Make sure that you are curling your lashes so it is easier to put mascara on, and it is easier to put on false lashes because that is the next step after this. Now it is time for lips, and once our lips are done, we will be done with this Valentine's Day look, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.